Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi LiveENODING. Today I wanted to share with you this node tree setup that I made in Blender using animation nodes. Basically, it's pretty simple. I think I've done this using Sverchok, but it's the same thing using animation nodes. So this is probably something that you need at some point. So what it is, it's not just like a circle. This is actually like a slice of circle. And if I show you, actually no, this one. If I increase this, and you can see this is basically like a slices of circle, like a pizza. You slice it, and then it was created using circle nodes. So the one that's responsible is really the circle mesh. And what I did here is that I'm creating a circle, and then I'm rotating. I'm creating a slice of circle, and then I'm rotating it based on the number of slices. So the number of slices is this guy. You can try to create this yourself. This is like a really simple problem, and once you understand this, this is a really it's gonna be useful for you. Try looking at this and then rebuild it from scratch. I basically started from circle mesh and then really just play around with the end angle. And the end angle that's currently what we have is based on this math 360 divided by how many slices we want, and so we get the angle. We have the end angle of the slices, and the actual circle itself is actually hidden. So that's the original, and I just hide it. We don't need to render it, and all we see here is the instance of the slices, and it's perfectly created the circle again. So the output is going to be this target mesh, and then I'm using object instancer, and the number of instances is the same as the number of slices. And then I'm using object transform output with multiple locations and rotations. And the location is so that I can show you this thing. And this guy, the rotation is looking slightly complex, but it's not really. It's just another float range based on the slices. So it goes up depending on the slices angle. So if we have like 12, so 360 divided by 12 is 30 degree. It goes into the end angle here, and then 30 degree. You can see it's rotated. The first slices is rotated at 0 degree, and the next one 30, 60, and so on. And the last slice is 330 degrees. So yeah, that's why we have this. I'm pretty sure you will need this at some point. And the cool thing is that you can still play around with the circle and the angle also. You can also offset it, and the slices, if I'm not wrong, you can also, yeah, you can also do this. So it doesn't need to be a circle. It can be like this, and then it become like a fan. 360, and you can increase the number and go back to origin, file, save as. And you can even play around with the scaling if you want. I think the scaling also works. See, just like that, or random number. So plug this in, and how many we have? So vector from value. This is the value. Okay, this is multiple value, and because yeah, it is working. And because animation nodes now is kind of more vectorized, similar to Sverchok, that's why we can have this It's pretty cool. So 24, make sure we have also 24. So this is just a play, just kind of a trying to be creative with this basic circle, and then we are only playing around with the object transform, rotation, position, and scale. So that's the scale. You can randomize it, and I think that's pretty much it. You can further play around with this and see what you can come up with, but this looks pretty neat. And this is how you can make visualization using audio that looks kind of radial. All right, hopefully this is useful. Let me know what you think, and hopefully this is useful, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.